Akala ng marami, ay, yung mga usaping ganyan, pang-investors lang yan. No, we're all affected by this. Whether investor ka o hindi. Well, we'd like everyone to be investors. But even if you're not an investor, it is worse for you. Dahil yung impact sa'yo, almost on a direct basis, on all fronts. Ngayon nga tayo, di ba, dahil invested tayo sa foreign funds, kahit papano, may cushion tayo eh. Pero paano yung walang investment? Di ba? Isipin mo yung value ng sweldo nila bumaba dahil sa inflation o kahit sabihin mo ng mababa ang inflation, eh yung exchange rate. Siyempre, mga binibili natin imported eh. O do you buy less? Di ba? Pangalawa, medyo yung propensity mo or capability mo to have better earnings next year also in peril. So lahat apektado, Trisha. It's something that we have to be very conscious of as a people because it affects us all.